Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix LinkedIn login verification loop on iPhone step by step. First of all, force and close and reopen the LinkedIn app. Swipe up or double click home and remove LinkedIn, then reopen the app. After that, go ahead and open your settings app and then search for Safari. Next, scroll down and search for clear history and website data and click clear history. Next, make sure your email or phone number or verification code. Check your email or phone number for verification code. Make sure you're using the correct active account to receive or resend the code. After that, try passwordless login. Use Apple ID or Google account or Magic Link. Bypass repeated code request. Privacy tip: only enter verification codes on official LinkedIn app or website to avoid phishing scams. Quick fix: if loop proceeds, restart your iPhone and try logging in again. Update or reinstall the LinkedIn app. Contact LinkedIn support if verification continues to fail. And that's it. Subscribe.